If you're having trouble accessing your Epic Games account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Make sure to double check for any typos. After entering your email, click on the Send Email button to receive a password reset link. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Epic Games in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email to access the password reset page. Create a new password that is strong and secure. Make sure to remember this password for future logins. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Epic Games login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Epic Games account without needing verification codes. If you continue to experience difficulties, don't hesitate to contact customer support for help.